Okay, as you remember, the last day work was to create a website with specific template. I hope you can remember that. How many of you have completed that? Kidene complete karad? Yes. How many of you have completed that? I asked you to create a website based on website එකක් හදන්න කියලා කිව්වා table formatting පාවිච්චි කරලා. Okay, Javiru, you can share it. I have to discuss about the print preview, thesaurus, etc. This part is already done. Okay, let's do the proof. Let's understand the proofreading and also a thesaurus part, right? Tools, languages, thesaurus, what is there, and find and replace, as well as print preview and the print part in the Word document. And let's move to the Excel part after that. Okay, Javier, you can share what you have done now. You can share it. Laptop break. Anyone else? Anyone else other than Javier? Okay, anyone else? Can you just share the screen? Just need to do in your computer. Shavani, can you share your screen? It's okay if you have not done, that doesn't matter. Let's open MS Word. Yeah, okay. Let's open MS Word. And here, actually, I just want to tell you a few things. Okay, please type equal RAND. Please type equal RAND. Okay, now you have a text. Okay, let's see what are these thesaurus things, you know. Just double click on any word that you like. Just double click on any word that you like. Right click on that word and you can see, right click on the specific word, just right click. Then you can see synonyms, and there you can see job wise, work wise. These are some other words that you can use instead of that. You have selected what? Professionally. The word is professionally. Select professionally in a word. When you're selecting the word professionally, it suggests you the job wise, work wise, for work, for money, for a living. These are basically the dictionary form. Dictionary can order translate me, meaning a classical at the right? A classical at the in the past. Okay, then thesaurus. Yes, what is this thesaurus? Can you just click on thesaurus? Right, thesaurus is basically showing you have synonyms, right, as well as some more words that you can use for that, right? Skillful, expertly, completely. You can see a lot of words. So these are called thesaurus. Right? Actually, you can, according to the book, you can go to what? Basically, you can go to the particular menu. The menu is review thesaurus, or in the tools, languages thesaurus for the LibreOffice tools, languages thesaurus. So you can go to the review menu. Review tab again, just go to the review tab. And there you can see the thesaurus one. Yeah, that was also correct. That thesaurus will also, yeah, the thesaurus will also. Okay, both are same, right? Both are referring to the same thing. Both are referring to the same thing. Okay. So may I know, Hikma, are you here in the class? May I know? Are you here in the class? No. Okay. I'm audible, right? Lakmali, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Is it line clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. Then right. Okay. Let's do some other thing. In the review menu, you have here this is normally used. This is used where when you submit the document for some other person to review. Assume that Shivani has created this page and given it to me for reviewing purpose. එහෙම හිතන්න. හරි Shivani දැන් මේක හදලා දැන් මොන මට දීලා තියෙන්නේ මේක review කරන්න. What Shivani can like what the reviewer can do. එහෙම නැත්නම් හිතන්න මම මේක හදලා Shivaniට දීලා තියෙනවා. I have created this and I have given Shivani to review this. Then what you can do is you can tick on the track changes. There is a one called track changes. Yes, you can turn on that. Turn on that. Okay. Now track changes turn on කළා තමයි අපි දෙන්නේ කියලා හිතමු. දැන් ඕක ඔයා වෙනස් කරන්න පුතේ. So professionally කියන එක අයින් කරලා ඒ වෙනුවට දාන්නකෝ skillfully කියන එක. අර thesaurus වලින් දාන්න. එහෙම delete කරලා ඉන්න එපා. double click කරා නම් එනවා. Undo that. Okay, now double click and select the other side. Go to the thesaurus and select. Go to the synonyms and you can select, okay, skillfully or something like that. Just double click on that. Double click on the word and you can copy paste that, which is selected can be copy and pasted instead of this. උඩට එනවා පුතේ. insert කරනවා හරියට. අන්න එතනින් insert කරනවා. right click and insert. Okay. Right. Now okay, likewise do few changes in the page. Page එකේ මොනවා හරි පොඩි වෙනස්කම් ටිකක් කරන්න document you can change it. Okay, you can see there are some red color lines appearing in the left side. වම් අත පැත්තේ වඩ පේනවා ඇති සමහර red color lines appear වෙනවා. පේනව නේද? You can see some red color lines are appearing that. Okay, that is what happened when the track changing is turned on. Okay, since you are the reviewer and you are the editor, you can see that. නැත්නම් editor කෙනෙක් මේක edit කරලාට පස්සේ you can save the document. After editing, you can change the document, right? You can change the document. Now track changing දාලා තමයි අපි යවන්නේ. කාට හරි මේක edit කරන්න අවශ්‍ය අපි යවන්නේ track changing දාලා. Track changing දාලා යවුවට පස්සේ edit කරනවා. Edit කරාට පස්සේ okay ඔයාට ආපහු එනවා මේ page එක. So then okay. So you can add comments also. Comments උතෝනන් දාන්න පුළුවන්. ඇයි මේක වෙනස් කරේ කියලා. Right? So comments, show comments, read then comments දාලා නැහැ. When you apply, you can show and remove the comments. Right. Okay. Then go to the reviewing pane. Go to the reviewing pane. එතනම තියෙන track changes වලට එහා පැත්තේ තියෙන reviewing pane. Okay. Click on that. This vertical or horizontal preview. Okay, now you can see pen on it. Okay, you can see what has happened to the documents. වෙනස් කරපුවා පේනව නේද? Can you see? This is what has happened to the document. There you can accept or reject. එතකොට අර බලන කෙනාට පුළුවන් දැන් මේ review එක එක්ක accept කරන්න. මේක බලලා දීලා තියෙන්නේ. මම කියනවා මගේ එක පොඩ්ඩක් correct කරලා දෙන්න. grammar පොඩ්ඩක් බලලා දෙන්න. ඒ විදිහට මම දෙනවා. හරි. එහෙම දුන්නාට පස්සේ review කළා මට ඒක හම්බ වෙනවා. After reviewing I get it. Okay, so that is what the reviewing option is. එතකොට ඔයා මේක accept කරොත්, like if you accept the change, so let's see accepted and you can accept it. දැන් ඔයාමනේ accept මේවා තියෙන්නේ නැත්නම් ඔය view දෙකම පෙන්නන. දැන් ඔයාට පෙන්නන්නේ edit කරාට පස්සේ ඔයාට පෙන්නන්නේ නැහැ අරක. After editing you will not be, but when you get that ඕ දෙන්නෙක් කරොත් තමයි හොඳටම හොඳ. Right, when like okay, for an example you also can do that. Maybe one friend you can enable the review, the track changes දාලා ඔයාට යවන්න පුළුවන් යාළුවෙකුට. කියන්නේ ඔයාට edit කරලා එවන්න කියලා. edit කරලා එවුවට පස්සේ ඔයාට පෙන්නන්නේ edit කරපු document එක. වෙනස් කරපු එක. ඒ කියන්නේ skillfully to make the document look skillfully. අයි කලින් තිබ්බේ skillfully නෙමෙයි. කලින් තිබ්බේ වෙන එකක් නේ. කලින් තිබ්බේ මොකද්ද? It was there like professionally or something නේද? මෙතන තිබ්බේ skillfully වෙනවා. දැන් ඔයාට පෙන්නන්නේ skillfully. හැබැයි ඔයාට මේ review ගියාම මේකේ මේ show change මේ track changes අයින් මේවා කරාම දැන් මම ආපහු ඔයාට පෙන්නනවා reviewing pane එකේ මේ වෙනස යාගේ යාළුවා කරා කියලා. Then you can accept or reject it. So that is the advantage. You can accept or reject the changes. Or reject karo change. If you reject the change, the old one will be accepted. So let's go and click and reject this. Select on one of these revisions in the left pane. Okay. Okay, got it. And you can reject. You can go and reject that. Read the reject menu. You can go and reject. Or right click and see. Reject insertion. Okay. Then that will be altered back. Correct. ඊට පස්සේ professional එකත් delete කරපු එකත් ආයි reject කරන්න ඕනේ නැත්නම් මේකෙන් නෑ professional එක. You have to go to the professionally reject the deletion and you can see now professional එක ඔයාට undo කරන්න දැන් වෙන කෙනෙක් edit කරපු එකක් පිටේ undo කරන්න බෑනේ. Right. Okay. Now we know that part as well. Let's see the print part and finish this. So go to file and print. So there are two things in the print. Right. Yes. Select print. So the first thing that is appearing is the print preview. ඉස්සල්ලාමට පේන එකට අපි කියනවා print preview එක print out එක නෙමෙයි print එක වෙන හැටි තමයි පෙන්නන්නේ. And you can see the deleted and inserted one doesn't matter. හරිද? එහෙම පෙන්වුවට ඒවා ඒ deleted inserted කියලා වෙන්නේ නැහැ. track changes දාලා හින්දා තමයි එහෙම තියෙන්නේ. ඔයා ගිහලා track changes අයින් කරන්න. After you remove the track changes, you will not be able to see that. Escape එක ගහන්න ඕනේ if you want to go back. Press escape. Go back, press escape. ESC and remove the track changes, then you will not be seen. No. Track changes එක උඩ click කරන්න. Okay, then you will not be able to see that. Changes, review pane, that also you can remove. Comments also you can remove. Oh, on be hurry. Reviewing pane also you can remove. Okay. Now go to the file. Right. But still you will be able to see that, but doesn't matter, it will not be printed. And here you can see the print. Copies 1, how many copies you need, whether you want to print all the pages or any given pages. Here you can say page number 1. එක දාන්න ඕනනම් එතකොට අනිත් pages print වෙන්නෙත් නැහැ. WhatsApp එකයි වගේ නම් pages වලට 1 කියලා ලියන්න. Pages you can say 1. Number 1, okay. The first page is printed. මේක portrait the print කරන්නේ නැත්නම් landscape ද කියන එක. ඒක වෙනස් කරලා බලන්න. You can change it to portrait or landscape. හරහටද දිගටද කියන එක. That you can change. Then whether you want to print it in a A4 paper or something else, margins can be edited. How many pages per sheet are? That is also important. 2 pages per sheet වගේ දාන්න බලන්න. 2 pages per sheet. එතකොට ඒක දැන් ඔතන නැති හින්දා ඔය pages. ඒකලා දාන්නකෝ landscape නැතුව portrait. Orientation portrait. හරි. ඔයා පොඩ්ඩක් වැඩිපුර type කරන්න පුතේ. Go back and type some more random text. Then you will witness that what is this 2 pages multi-page view. Okay, now we can try. Okay, 2 pages per sheet. හරි අපි ඔක්කොමම තියමු 2 pages per sheet. Okay, now let's print it. Instead of Epson printer, you can then what of print කරලම බලන්න ඕන නම් instead of Epson printer you can select PDF. You know the Microsoft print to PDF. You can use that. Okay, now print and see. Then print එකක් ඇත්තටම ඕන. Print and see. You will see the documented view. You can give any name and save it. Save. Now go and open that. Okay. Second දිගමදිද පොඩ්ඩක් පල්ලට යන්න බලන්නකෝ. උනේ දිගමදි වගේ එකම page එකට ඔක්කොම අවිල්ලා තියෙනවා. That's the reason. And that review changes එක I accept කරේ නෑ නේද ඔක්කොම. Other things you need to accept, right? Sorry, that's my mistake. So go back පුතේ. Let's correct this. Go back, let's correct this. Right click and accept the changes. You can no, right click on that. හරි අප වරක දාගන්න අනිත් view එක. Track changes, maybe you can turn on. And the reviewing pane you can turn on. Okay, right click and accept deletion. Accept insertion. Last one also you need to accept. All of these you have to accept, because if you accept it, because reviewing is on. Okay, now you can print. Now you won't get that. Print. Yes, print. About a thick page. You can make it. Okay. Still the second part is not there.
No, sir.
Space is taken. කොත් බලන්න මගින් එක ඉවර වෙලා තියෙන කොතනින්ද කියලා. Need them කියන තැනින් ඉවර වෙලා. ඒ පාර්ට් එක නෑ විලානේ. Okay, go to file again. Now select like 4 pages per sheet වගේ දාගන්න.
Sir, is it because the pages is here as one?
Pages is one. The pages 1, 2 දෙකම දාගන්න ඕනේ. Yes, that is the problem. You understood that. 1, 2 දෙකම දාන්න එපා. Otherwise it won't be printed. No, that's correct. Yes, that is the reason. Correct. Or you have to give all pages. Right? 1, 2 both, or you have to give all pages. Now print it and you'll get that. Yes, correct. Okay, I think with that the printing part is also over. Let's move to the Excel part very quickly. Okay. Talk on, yes, it has come. That's a problem. Okay. Can print like a book. Okay, let's move to the next chapter. Your book, that is basically Excel. Electronic spreadsheets. Basically, earlier days, the most of like word processing is done using, the word processing is done using this WP51, Word Star, Word Perfect, these things, the other word processing tools that we have used. Similar to that, Lotus 1, 2, 3, there are word tools like this. Lotus 1, 2, 3 වගේ tools ඒ දවස්වල පාවිච්චි කරා. ඇයි ඒවා පාවිච්චි කරේ? Calculation වලට. Basically calculations and arithmetical arrangement, also quantitative representation. Quantitative and ප්‍රමාණාත්මකව පෙන්වන්න quantitative representation වලට, arithmetic ගණිතයට, එතකොට calculations වලට මේ විදියට අපි arrange කරා. Abacus to like now like calculator, after that the software or electronic spreadsheet. එතකොට electronic spreadsheet එක කියන්නේ application එකක්. Electronic spreadsheet is application. That application uses workbooks to keep data. Those are the files. And that workbooks has worksheets to save data. Those are the pages. Okay. Please write down, because sometimes you will misunderstand. Electronic spreadsheet is an application. Then workbook, file format. So what is worksheet? Worksheet is, you have to write down this. Worksheet is single page, looks like a table with rows and columns. Rows and columns, that is basically a worksheet. So what is row? Horizontal data section identified by row number, by a row number. What is a column? Vertical data section which is identified by a column letter. Within bracket, you can say filled with cells. For the worksheet, rows, columns වලින් හැදිලා cells වලින් තමයි පිරලා තියෙන්නේ. So what is a cell? I'm writing it here. Intersection of a row and a column. We can enter data, formula, or function to a cell and identified by a column letter and row number. Example, you can say A31, column A, 31st, column A and 31st row. Okay, please write down the whole note. So first write electronic spreadsheet, workbook, worksheet, row, column, and cell. I would like to start with this activity, and this activity will be a very quick revision for you if you don't know, and if you have not done this in grade 10. Okay, instead of Excel, I'm using Google Sheets because Sheets is similar to Excel and it's free tool which we can use. So you have to sign in using Google account. Just sign in using Google account and you'll be accessing this. And for your convenience, I'm going to share this. Okay, OL. I'm going to share this to you. You can create your own sheet. And here I'm creating my own sheet. Do not edit this, and I'm setting the permission prior to share. I'm setting the permissions. I'm going to tools, data, protect the sheet and ranges. You can do the same for your one. And I'm going to protect this. the sheet. Dasun is protected. Set permissions. You can, who can edit? Only me. Okay. Only myself can edit. What others can do is they can protect their sheet also. And you can click on this plus icon and create your own sheet. And what I'm going to do is here, I'm going to type few names. It's a very simple activity. Okay, item, then price, quantity, and the total. Okay, it's a very easy question. Item, let's see, pen, pencil, marker, eraser, glue, okay, A4 paper, LED. It has some items listed there, and here I'm going to list their prices. Pen, pencil, marker, eraser, glue, A4 paper, LED, and after that I'm going to make them currencies. Please do this, right? I'm going to change this to currencies. I can click the currency symbol. Yeah, but not dollars. I just want to change the number format, the currency format into rupees, right? You can go to the custom currency and change this. I have already added rupees, therefore I'm putting rupees there. The quantity, okay. Then you need to calculate the total using either formula or function that you can do just to remember the previous year work. I'm sharing this now. Sheet is editable by everyone, but you cannot edit the first. First page you cannot edit. You have to add a new tab by pressing the plus icon. Add a new tab and do this activity. You have 5 minutes to complete all the tasks. Yeah. Okay, I'll give 8 minutes, right? I'll give 8 minutes to complete the whole task. You are given the link. Please go there, add a new page, and create this. After creating, edit this. Yes, custom emoji. Javiru, custom emoji. I can use in Unicode. Custom emoji. If it is not assigned, you can create. Otherwise, you have to make. You have to go to the image, yeah, like emoji makers. Emoji makers are there, and alter the symbol. That is like creating a custom character. Character editor, sorry, no, you can go to a character editor and do that. අයන්න වෙනකොට අපේ අයන්න එහෙම ඒවා දෙන්න පුළුවන්. නැත්නම් symbolic භාෂාවක් හදා ගන්න පුළුවන්. That you have to edit fonts basically. By editing font, you can do that. I'm checking it. Tihan, Shivani's one is correct. Only thing is like RS need a dot and space. When you are adjusting, adjust it as well. Tihan's one is still on the way. Avisha's one still on the way. Rovino's one still on the way. Dollars done per rupees done. Kasun has not done that. Shanuk has done that. Yes, Shanuka's one is okay. Javiru's one is okay. Okay, Javiru. Nadun's one is also okay. Laksha's one is also okay. Lakshya के प्रश्न तीन है. Dot and the space. Just managed. Just get the dot and the space in the right place. That's it. And yeah, almost everyone's okay, like except Tihan's. Why there's a delay? Finish it. Avisha's okay now. Soon, Rovino, finish it quickly. Okay, right. That means like you can remember the stuff easily. Like you can, if you need like it, I'll revise that next day also. Will before we begin. Next day also I'll revise it. Okay, the problem is, I think you know why I have shifted the class. You have to tolerate this for a short period of time. I said this already. කලිනුත් කිව්වා මේ class එකේ time එක shift කරන්න හේතුව මේ විදිහට shift කරද්දි මට ඔයාලට ටිකක් long hours කරන්නත් බෑ, ටිකක් වැඩිපුර කරන්නත් අමාරුයි, රෑ වෙනවා වැඩි හින්දා පොඩ්ඩක් දා ගන්න ඕනේ. දැන් මෙතන මේ 9:55 මගේ time එක. මම හිතන්නේ ඔයාලගේ time එක මේ 9:40 වගේ වෙන්නේ නැති කියලා හිතනවා. Because I'm out of the country. Again, because of this team projects, I'm doing few projects here. Like it won't take much time, because like for a few months you need to tolerate that. Maybe a few months can be but anyway, I will take my responsibility and cover the classes. Also, once O-level is published, those who are doing O-levels in the recent intake, please let me know once O-level the schedule is published, because you have to join some other class to do the papers, right? Therefore, please inform me by that time. Okay, I'll stop from here. So you can study other things, how others have done here. You can see the equation, how others have done. Just explore it. Go to their cells. Here, the මතක නැත්තම් තියාන ඔය කරන්න තියෙන එක තමයි. ඔයාලා කාලයක් තිස්සේ මම හිතන හොඳට කරගෙන ඇවිල්ලා පස්සේ ආයෙ අත්හැරලා තියෙන. Like this is like අර ඉබ්බයි හාවයි තරංගේ වගේ තමයි. ඔයගොල්ලෝ අනිත් අයට වැඩිය පුළුවන් කියන ඉදිරියට ගිහිල්ලා ඊට පස්සේ එහෙම හිතාගෙන පුළුවන් කියලා ඉඳලා දැන් වෙලා තියෙන අනිත් අයට වැඩිය slow වෙනවා. හරි, මේ ඕඩර් ක්ලික් කරලා බලන්න. You can remember the formula function. I'll recall that part next day, right? Okay, good night. See you all next day. Okay, goodbye.